All right, boys and girls, today we're going to be doing Unit 7, Lesson 11. And we're going to skip over Lesson 10 for right now. Online people, on Friday, that will be your lesson, is Lesson 10, but it will not be recorded. Guys in class, you guys will be doing Lesson 10 also on Friday. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and skip that one now and just move right along. So we're doing Unit 7, Lesson 11. Lesson 11. Okay? Let's get started by doing some blending. Let's get started by doing some blending. Let's get our hands together. Let's get our hands up. Okay, hands up. Here we go. First one, frost. All. Good. Next one, drips. Good. Be careful with that first sound, drips. Remember, that is a d-r, and sometimes the d-r can sound like a j. Yeah. So be careful because I thought I heard somebody say the j sound. Okay. All right. Next one, soft. Soft. Good. Next one, split. Good. Next one, traps. Good. Listen to traps when I do it. Traps. Good. It's hard to hear those final consonants when you have that S on the end. I realize that. It is hard. All right, next one, brings. Did y'all hear that? In that, did you hear it? All right, next one, stamp. Good. Next one, thrill. Good. Did that TH make the, or the? It didn't make the voice one, did it? No. All right, next one, trash. Good. Next one, bench. Good. Okay. Let's do our sound review. We're going to do the letter name and then the sound. Okay, here we go. M. Let's do this again. M. A. T. E. O. C. G. I. back here to W because I heard some not so right. So W is what, not what, but what. Okay. All right. Let's do this one again. J, Y, yeah. Not yeah, but yeah. Good. X. Okay. Now we're going to move on to our booleans and digraphs. Here we go. We're just going to say it 3 times, okay? Ra, ra, ra. Hua, hua, hua. Excellent. Remember, when we see those 2 letters together, they're going to make how many sounds? 1. They're no longer going to make how many sounds? 2. It's only going to be what? 1 sound. All right, boys and girls. We have, I believe, this is my page here. Yeah, this is my page. Okay. We have our first part of our assessment for this unit. We got a few more lessons to do for this unit, but we also have a lot of assessments for this unit. Okay? This is something that we're kind of going to move along quickly with because we've got to get to Unit 8. And I really want us to get to Unit 9. Okay? We've been going a little bit slower because we've had a lot of things going on this year. But we're going to get through it, right?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to go ahead and do a little assessment. Online people, you will need to pull out 11.1. This will be just like what we've done before, where I call out a word and they circle the correct word. When you are done with that assessment, then if you will please take a picture of both the front and the back of it for me, and just email that to me or dojo it, however you want to do it, and I will get that and grade it for you. All right. So I'm going to pause it for a moment so that we can get ready here in class, and then I will be back to start calling out your words. All right. So we've done assessments like this before, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we know what to do, but I'm going to explain it again. So I'll call out the number 1, and I'll say a word. And then you're going to circle the word that I say. Be careful. Look at these 3 words right here in the front. They all start with that TH, right?
Yeah.
The word I call out may start with a TH. But if you come right here and you're like, oh, there's TH. It could not be the right word, right? So do you need to make sure that you read all of those words and choose the one that has all of the sounds in the word that I say? Yeah. Got it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right. Number 1. Then. Then.
Then.
Then.
What?
Then. Then. Then I went home and went to bed. Then. 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 just don't know what that. Number two. Number two. Half. 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 Very half. All right, number three. Chin. Chin.
Chin. Chin.
Chin. Chin. Number three. Number three.
And number two is half. Half.
Please don't call these ones, okay? Because it messes me up when I check it, okay? Thank you. All right, number four. Number four. Lunch. 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 Lunch.
Half. Which one? Half. Half.
All right, number five. All right, number five. Number five. Listen to this one. This one is tricky. Thrash. 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 Please not even color in the numbers. I don't want you to do anything but circle the one. Okay. Okay. Thank you. All right, go ahead and turn your paper over. Number six, quilt. 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 Be careful with this one. Make sure you're listening to all the sounds. Quilt. Oh, okay. Yeah. What? What? Heels. What? What? Yeah. I'll know which one. Okay. What? Heel. Wheel. All right, number 7. Number 7. Ring. 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 Okay. Yes, we only have like 3 more.
That's fine, I got 30 in front of me. Thank you.
All right, next one, number 8. Oh, wait, let's go back to number 7. I want to say that word again. I want you to listen carefully, okay? Listen carefully. Ring. 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 Ing. 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 All right, next one, number 8. Number 8. Shut. 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 All right, we go. Number 9. Oh, shut. Shut. Now listen to that first sound, right? Shut. All right, here we go. Number 9. Number 9. Song. Song. And number 10 is quiz. 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 All right, make sure your first and your last name is on your paper. Online people, I'm gonna pick up my papers and I'll be right back.
You got your last name?
Make sure your first and last name is on. All right, today we're gonna learn a new tricky word, okay? New tricky word. Before we learn a new tricky word, let's review these tricky words. Let's say them together. Yellow, down. Good. And we got this one. What's this? Out. Good. Why are they tricky words?
Because you can't sound them out.
You can't sound them out, right? Because we don't know the sounds for those specific letters yet, right? All of our sight words, whether they're tricky or not tricky, should we sound those out? No, we should just know them. They should be automatic because we read those in books a lot of the time. Those are the words you'll hear. All right, today, this is our tricky word. This is the word of. Everybody say of. Of. Good. I'm going to read this sentence to you and then we'll read it together. I have a lot of fun at school. Let's read it together. I have a lot of fun at school. What's this word? Oh, good. Is it a tricky word? Yes. Let's look at this. If we were to sound this out, it would be ah. This is not the word off. There is a word that is off, but this is not off, is it? It's of. So the sound I hear at the beginning of is what? Of. But we know that O does not say right? Yeah, that's why this is a tricky word. So what is this word? Oh, good. What is this word? Oh, good. All right, I want everybody to get out your picture reader. And in your picture reader, you are going to turn to the page 105. What does 105 look like?
1 and a 0 and a 5.
Right, a 1, a 0, and a 5. Yes, babe. I know, remember, I said I'd do it later. Picture reader. Remember, our picture reader. Looking in your pocket. All right, what should we be doing with our fingers as we're reading? Pointing. Now, are we also, when we're reading our picture reader, are we also supposed to use our finger to touch the pictures when we're reading? Yes, because those are acting like words for us, right? All right, let's get our fingers ready to do our finger exercise, stretching out, so that we will be ready to point. Here we go. Up, down.
Up, down. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
All right, good. Rowan, can you put your book flat on your desk, please? Thank you. everybody.
Of pizza.
Pizza,
Oven.
oven,
Cookies.
cookies, cake. Excellent. Let's do that again. Point to each word, remember? Of, pizza, oven, cookies, cake. Good. Okay. Anyway. All right, let's move to the next page. Okay, we're on the next page. Remember our fingers.
Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Okay, I'm gonna call on some people. If you don't want to read, just say I don't want to read. But I know that everybody in here is. Okay. Piper, do you want to read the first sentence? Okay, do it. Where's your finger? Yeah, let's read it all together. The cookies are out of the oven. Good. All right, next one. Kanan, do you want to read that one? Okay, put your finger. Here we go.
Pizza is out of the oven.
Good job. Everybody, here we go.
The pizza is
out of the
oven.
oven. Good. All right, next one. Oh, she's not here. Lucy, do you want to read the next one? Okay, go.
The cake is out of the oven.
Good. Everybody read it together. Here we go.
The
cake is out of the oven. Good. Go ahead and turn to the next page.
The next page on this page.
It's gonna look like this. Oh,
Yeah, it's there's,
yeah, mine's set up a little different.
yeah, it's the same page. The other-
Yeah, it's the same page. You don't have to turn to the next page. It's just gonna be the page that's beside of it. My PowerPoint's not set up quite like this. Okay? All right, finger on that first word. Olivia, do you want to read it for me? Go.
The basketball is out of the basketball.
Good. Let's read it together. The basketball.
Is out of the basketball.
Okay, good. Next one. Rosie, do you want to read the next one? Go.
One on with your finger, right here.
The cat is out of the box.
Good. All right, let's read that all together. Here we go.
The cat is out of the box.
Good job. Dylan, do you want to read the next one? Do it.
The baseball is out of the box.
Good. Let's read it. Here we go.
The
baseball
is out of the goal.
Good. All right. Now we can turn the page, right?
Yes, it's a goal.
Okie dokie. Rowan, you want to read the first sentence on the top of it? All right, put your finger on it.
The books all gotten out of the backpack.
Good. Everybody, here we go. The books are out of the book bag or backpack. Whatever you want. All right, next one. Luke, you want to read it?
The rabbit is
Oh, wait a minute, we're right here in the middle. Good, let's read it all together.
The dog is out of the
Good. And Kalai, if you can read the last one, go.
The bunny is out of the house.
All right, here we go. The bunny is out of the hat. Good. What was our tricky word today? How do we spell up? O-F. Emma. O-F. Excellent. All right. And, so we have a little assignment now. Okay, a little assignment that's in our skills book. Now, first thing you do is listen to me, give you the what? The instructions, the directions. Am I right? Yes. Okay. So in your skills book, you are going to turn to 11.2. Are you gonna do it right now? All right. So you're going to look at the tricky word that we've been talking about today, which is what? You write the word in the blank. Once you write the word in the blank, you need to go back and read the sentence, right? So you'll have that page. You'll have the back of it. You'll have this page. And that's it. So you'll have 3 pages. Am I right? What's that? Yes. This is just another assignment. Okay.
We're not doing it today.
No, it's actually homework.
Oh, okay.
All right. Boys and girls, you can go ahead and get out your skills practice book. And the picture readers.
Yeah, I didn't really look, so that's why I just One, 3, 4, 3. Okay.
And then we just-
Okay.
All right, sorry, hold on, people. Okay. Today we took an assessment and we also learned a new tricky word. I will. Bye.